Oh my god, in his dino suit. That's so. Welcome back to a new episode of Laughing Tales, where we laugh at hilarious animal antics. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below your favorite video clip. Let's get started with the first one. Oh, here he is. There he is. Call your dogs. Oh, just a little cheese wrapper. Oh, I hear some tappies. Is that cheese? Is that cheese? Oh, where'd she go? Just running. Like, let's go. Oh, it's time. It's time. Not actually calling your dog. Oh, tippy tappy and slide. Oh, there they are. There's your pug. Oh, yeah, here they come. Just excuse me, you gonna share? Oh, yeah. I love when they just know. It's so funny. Walk? Okay. Oh yeah. Just that look. It's the best look. Okay, we're going on to number 2. Here we go. Hey, on to the second one. Oh, shoveling. Hop in with the shovels. Here we go. Okay. Oh, the bucket. helping out mama. Helping out dad. Or mom, or whoever. Yeah, mom, I think. Oh, he's lifting up his bed. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Oh, here you go. Oh, don't see this fucking lazy. Good job. Oh, so the remote. I love it. Okay, on to the third one. Okay, on to number 3. Here we go. It's him. That look. Oh, jeepers. Jesus. Just telling me. Oh, jeez. Don't mess with me. Oh. Sniffing the bum. Oh, here you go. Here's just push. Jesus. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Okay. And then we have the last one. Just give me 1 second. Okay, down to the last one. Here we go. Oh my god, in his dino suit. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. That look. Aww. Aww. Jeepers. Aww. And down we go. Down we go again. And down. Just having a ball. I love it. I miss tobogganing when we were children. It was so much fun. Okay, that's it for me. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your Tuesday, and this will be out Wednesday, so also have an awesome Wednesday. We'll chat soon. Bye now.